Hi. So today I want to talk about icons and how they are drawn in Fyne, which is a bit vexing because it only works with certain types of SVGs and you have to be careful about what kind of SVGs you're using. So look at this prototype on the left-hand side. This is a prototype of my app and this is not implemented yet. You can see here, this is how Fyne would normally draw an icon. This is a custom icon in this case, even though it looks almost the same as the document icon that is in the theme already. I have other custom icons too. Here, for instance, are correctly drawn custom icons, okay? So, how do you do that? When I first did that, I dabbled around with a listener and adapting the image to the theme, which you can do. But then it doesn't work with disabled controls, and it doesn't work with painting the special color, or however it's called, when it paints, for instance, in blue, when you select something. And so it's better to use Fyne's coloring. But the problem is, for instance, with this icon, it doesn't work. It should be blue, it should be colored in the selection color, but it isn't. So why does it work here and why doesn't it work here? And that took me a while to figure out. It has to do with the SVGs. I don't know the exact reason, but I can show to you how I embed these. So here you can see, here are my old attempts of doing that with two different kinds of images. That's not the right way to do it. But if you look at this, for instance, let's take a look at this upload icon. Now this garbage here, this is something that flat icon does. But this is not relevant. If you remove this, it's not going to work either. So this is not the reason why this doesn't work. I have tested this already. But for some reason, even though it's kind of monochrome, this doesn't work. So what I found out is that if you go to this site here, it's called SVG.net, then upload this image here. Okay. Then the options, I leave them basically untouched. I didn't change anything here. And then you minify it using this site. Have to copy it again into the directory, of course. Resources, icons, and paste it. Overwrite the old one. So now it would work, but there is another change I have to do. I can show you. Now, if I go to my implementation here, this embeds the icon directory as an embedded file system and then loads the icon by its name, creates a new Fyne static resource and returns it. And that has to be embedded additionally in an additional line of code. I'll show you. Here, it's already done for the file SVG. You have to use theme, new themed resource, and embed the static resource into that, and that will color the icon appropriately according to theme changes and according to the disabled state and the selection color of a control. So let's do this here. New themed resource. I'm not very fast with Emacs, to be honest. So let's try this. And start the application again. And if we go here, you can see it's drawn correctly. So that's how you can do that. You can use this site to optimize the SVG image, and then they tend to work. Why the original ones don't work, I have no idea. I tried to find the exact place in the Fyne source code where this coloring is done, but didn't find it. It's kind of hidden in the internals. So the best thing is to just try to modify and simplify the SVG and try it with that, and it's probably going to work. I have not found any monochrome icon that didn't work after I used this site. So check this out if you have problems with an icon in Fyne that you want to embed. Obviously, the theme icons are not enough for larger applications. There are probably some icons you need in a similar style like I'm doing here. Then you can use this site to optimize it and it's going to work. So I hope you found this useful and see you another time. Bye.